Today we will be going over the new Breeze LS digital COC feature in the PriorityLab Mobile App. The Breeze LS is a radon detecting device that is analyzed by the professionals at PriorityLab to give accurate and quick radon results. This device is suitable for all radon testing applications, whether that be a real estate transaction or a large-scale commercial project. If you do not know how to use the PriorityLab mobile app, please click the link in the description below and come back to this video. First thing we will do is click the appointment in the available appointment screen, then quickly go to the Add Sample page. You will now be able to view all the lab services PriorityLab offers through the digital COC. We will then click on the Radon and Air option. As with all COCs in the PriorityLab app, every field with a red triangle at the top is required. We will first scan in the testing media serial by lining up the crosshair on the Breeze LS QR code. The Breeze LS will automatically populate for the device type field. Next, for the sample location, we will either use the drop down to select the room we have placed the device in, or simply click into the function and type out the appropriate sample location. We will then take a photo of where we place the device. Next, we will fill out the time open and time closed fields. Simply click the function that will automatically populate the current date and time. If you need to adjust these, simply click the function and scroll. Follow the same steps for the closed date and time. As a reminder, you can only have these devices exposed for a minimum of 48 hours and a maximum of 96 hours per EPA regulations. As an option, we have the Add Image button directly above the Save Sample field. If you were to click this and take a photo, you can add an image description and either have this be included on the report for you or for your own personal records. Once all information is entered, we will hit Save Sample. This will prompt us to a new radon and air sample to continue entering in each canister you are deploying at that time. When all canisters have been logged in, we will back out of the screen and go over to the Samples tab. If all information is correct, we will hit Submit COC as usual. If the pickup time is not correct, we will go back into those specific COCs and update the information. Once we have submitted the COC, we will get an email indicating the lab has received our COC information. We will then upload our tracking information by going to the Submitted COC section and uploading from there. Once this has successfully been uploaded, we are done entering the Breeze LS COC. If you are not already using PriorityLab or have not entered the radon testing space, please contact one of our experts at 888-854-0477 or email us at sales@PriorityLab.com.